You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce these words once and for all correctly in English. The top word is pronounced pen. It's a P sound followed with an N sound. Pen. English pronunciation, pen. The bottom word is the number 10. It's a similar, exactly the same pronunciation, but just a T at the beginning rather than a P. 10. Pen. How to pronounce pen? 10. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.